Join me as I challenge myself to create a stunning handmade galaxy background that perfectly showcases this golden nativity die cut. Perfect for Christmas. This was such a fun and easy project. I got a lot of stuff ready ahead of time. I pre-cut this die cut out of a gold poster board from Hobby Lobby. Huge poster board for only 99 cents. And here's the die on the left. I'll leave a link below on one of my affiliate accounts. And it's so quick and easy, and it turns out so beautiful. Now I'm using white cardstock, and I'm using some Tim Holtz Distress Oxides and inks and spritz to make a galaxy background. It's going to be so much fun doing this. I've never quite done this before, so it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm just kind of making this up as I go. First, I'm going to layer a little bit of spice marmalade oxide on the bottom, and I'm going to gradient this from lighter colors to darker colors. And I was kind of inspired last week when I was driving home and the sun was setting in the distance over a mountain near me called Black Mountain. And you could see the gold just kind of like on edging the mountain. It was just beautiful. It was stunning and magical all at the same time with this gold and orange color. Then it gradient into the blues and the purples and then the dark blacks. Then you could start seeing the stars popping out. And I want to kind of recreate kind of what I've seen. And I'm going to just see what I come up with. And so these are the colors that I remember seeing that night. The golden oranges, the blues. And when you mix these blues and orangey yellows together, you get a green also, which is just perfect for the night sky. Now I'm doing a couple different layers of blues and kind of graduating that into different shades. And I'm blending this in so you don't see any harsh edges between the color changes. And so I'll just do it with the darker brush that I have on the top most up color. And I'm just kind of grading in and blending it as I get the coverage I need. The more ink you put in, the deeper and richer your tones are going to be. So at the bottom, I started out kind of light. And as I go up, I'm going to get a little thicker with my layering of these colors. And the very top here, I'm putting some black soot oxide on. And I'm going to go around the edges here really good and blend that into the blue. And it's going to be really hard to see the transition between these two colors. And then after I get done with this, I'm going to get some of the Villainous Potion purpley color and kind of blend in between this black soot and the prize ribbon blue. And it's going to give a little bit of a gold, or not a gold, but more of a pinky red tones to it. And it's going to help it stand out just a little bit more. And so here I am putting that Villainous Potion on here. And you can kind of see how that's kind of bringing this darker colors more to life. And I think it just adds so much to it. So I'm really liking how this is looking between the colors from the bottom of the horizon all the way up to the night sky. And it's really missing, after I put this on here, I realize it's missing the stars. So I'm going to get some iridescent calligraphy ink. It's in a silver color, and I'm going to kind of sprinkle this across the card with a little paintbrush, and it's going to give me those stars I want. And the stars in the sky, when you look at them, they're not all the same color. Some of them are kind of like a golden color, some are a white color, some are kind of blue, and they're all different sizes. And so these are my white and blue stars in the background here. And I'm going to add some of the Tim Holtz Distress spritz in the fossilized ember on top of this also, which somehow or another my video cut off, but you can see it in the background here. I did spritz some of that on, and you can see some of those golden dots in there. And I just love this spritz that he has. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere this to my background, and it just looks so stunning. You see that yellowish orange at the bottom, and it graduates into the darker sky as you go up into this night scene. And it just makes this nativity scene just look so much more magical. If you like these videos, you like how quick they are and how easy, hit that like button below, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see a lot more of these. This is my favorite glue here, and I'll leave a link to that below also. And it has this precision tip on it, so when you're doing these thin little areas, we just need a little dab of glue. This is perfect for getting these little spots. So I'm going to go over here really quickly and get as much glue on here as I can so nothing lifts up when this goes onto the card. And this is just going to look really good on there. One thing about glue, is, especially when you're doing little narrow edges like this, sometimes it doesn't stay within the lines and it kind of squirts out a bit, which you'll notice here with this foil gold poster board I have here. It wipes off really easy. So before it's dry, or even after it's dry, if you just get a little soft cloth and go over it, this glue will wipe right off. So it's even hard to tell that, you know, you got smeared some glue on spots. So it looks really good. Look at that galaxy background. Oh, I just love it. I'm going to have to make more of these. All right, so I'm going to size this up. I made this white cardstock on the back, a little bigger than I needed, so I can kind of size it up to see where I wanted and trim it down to size. This is going to fit on a size A2 card. And so I have a bunch of stash of different sizes A2 and different colors I had picked up. Already pre-made with envelopes, and this is going to go right on top of one of those cards. And I picked out a blue card that this was going to go on top. And I'll show you here. I'm wiping some of that glue off. Comes off really easily. So here's the card base. And I went ahead and stamped the inside of this card base with a sentiment. And that will be the inside of my card. And I'm just going to glue those two together. And this is going to look so nice. So on this card here, I'm going to put some double-sided tape on it. And I'm also going to put a little glue on here also. So it have a little double adhesion here. The tape tends to dry out after a while. The glue will hold a little bit longer. But it's easy to apply with tape. So I like to use, a lot of times, both of these. And just don't go overboard. I just use a little bit. And just kind of put that all over the place. Here we go. And I'm going to check and make sure that, let me open my card, make sure it's going in the right direction, because you don't want to put this on upside down and your sentiments go in the wrong direction. And just kind of center that up. It's going to fill up that whole front of this size A2 card. Press it down, get all those air bubbles out. And it is ready to sign and put in the mail to that special person that's going to get this gorgeous handmade card. And look how cool that turned out. I'm just so happy with this. Tempted to keep it, but you know, it's Christmas time. I'm going to send it off. There's the matching envelope that goes with it. And I just love this gradient of colors. Just turned out so pretty. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave me a comment, and I will catch you on that next easy craft that I'm going to show you here shortly. And see you next time. Take care.